Although the new iOS 26 comes with a whole lot of features, a bunch of it, but the thing is, should you update or not? And in this video, my advice is don't install the new iOS 26 beta version yet. Okay, yes, wait. Okay, and the main reason why you should wait is that those who have already installed the new iOS 26 beta version is facing issue, and not just single issue, a whole lot of issue going down with the iOS 26 beta version. And I understand and I really agree that they are facing the issue. It is something that they should face. Okay, if you don't know, you'll be surprised that you are facing that issue. But know that beta version, every beta version is for testing. Okay, so only developers will then get access to all these beta versions. So if you're on beta version and you're not a developer, then you are doomed, because beta version is for developers. They will use the beta version and then give feedback to Apple that this particular update is not working very fine, so work on it. Let's say camera. So let's say after getting on iOS 26 beta version, your camera is not open. So the developer will then send feedback to Apple. Hey, Apple, the new release that you gave, the beta version, the camera is not open, so work on it. Then they work on it and then give you a new update. Okay, so let's say you were on iOS 26.1 beta version, and then that one is when the camera wasn't working, so they will bring out iOS 26.2. okay, that one was 1 and now it is 2, and then the 2 will solve that particular issue that the point 1 developers were facing. Okay, gradually, yes, they will get there, and then they will release the 26 where all those issues that they were facing has all been faced, and now it is fully ready without any issue. You get it? So I will recommend you all do not install the iOS 26 beta version, because if you install, you are likely to face an issue. If you're not facing, maybe you're not using your smartphone to that maximum where you will start facing issues. Okay, so if you are not facing, fine, it's cool, but surely if you want to use it for something, you will surely get an issue somewhere. So why not stay calm and wait for the iOS 26? So hold on. If you are new, you haven't installed it yet, just hold on. If you have installed it already and then you want to know how you can just reverse it back to iOS 18, okay, now the latest is 18.5, then check the comment section or description. I've made a video already that can really show you. Okay, if not there, just wait, it will be there. Okay, just check in the comment section, everything will be there. Or subscribe so that when I post, you'll get the updates. So we just subscribe and turn on notification for more updates right here. Okay, so this is what I want to tell you, that don't update the iOS 26. Don't update. Okay, don't update to the latest iOS 26 beta version. Wait for the official release. The official release will be just in September, just some few months right now, and then you will be able to get it. Okay, and also if you want to know more features with your smartphone concerning iOS 18 and then also the new iOS 26 beta version, if you still want to be on, I have made a video videos, okay, videos upon videos talking about these features that you can also use. Okay, so everything will be in the comment section description. Check it out and get to know more about your smartphone, that the iOS 26 or iOS 18.5. Stay alive and I'll see you in another video.